Good morning, engineers. Mr. Ambrosi here. Today I'm going to show you how to create up a new account for this website, Visual Paradigm Online, which we're going to use to create your digital floor plans. So the first thing you need to do is click this sign up button, and you're going to use the free edition here, and you're going to sign up with your Microsoft school email address. So I'm going to click sign up with Microsoft. I'm going to use a different account, and for today we're going to use Mr. Axon's account. So I'm going to put in my full email and click next. It's going to ask me for my password. Once I put in my password and click sign in, it's going to ask for permission to my account. I'm going to accept. And from there, you'll see I have a new account. If I hover over here, and you can see there it says Brett Axon 25. So that worked.